Today, cell and gene therapies are reshaping how diseases are treated or cured. However, developing cell and gene therapies presents many challenges due to a complex manufacturing process. For example, low production volume, short product shelf life, complex raw materials, tracking and data integrity, scalability, and patient demands must all be taken into consideration. To ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of cell or gene therapies administered to patients, it is necessary to implement comprehensive quality control assays throughout the manufacturing process. Safety testing is critical to protect patient health and includes tests such as sterility testing, mycoplasma testing, and endotoxin detection. In parallel to safety testing, cellular quality attribute testing ensures the cell's effectiveness throughout the manufacturing process. Manufacturing cell and gene therapies requires trusted analytical testing systems to protect patients and validate personalized treatments. bioMérieux has developed value-added microbiology solutions to meet these expectations. To complete our portfolio, bioMérieux has established a partnership with Accelix to provide a full range of automated assays for cellular quality attribute testing. Our proven portfolio of automated and rapid quality control testing solutions will enable you to move testing on-site and carry out tests throughout each stage of the production process. On-site testing can help you optimize your manufacturing process, responding to the need of delivering finished products as safely and quickly as possible to the patient. Discover more information about bioMérieux solutions and services for cell and gene therapies on biomerieux-industry.com.